Hi everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a super quick and easy earring pattern. Whether you are a beginner or looking for a fast project, these earrings are perfect for you. So grab your materials and let's get started. I'm going to be using these two colors of yarn here today, along with the 2.5mm steel crochet hook. We need 2 hook ear wires and 2 jump rings of 3mm diameter, and we need the yarn needle, the pair of scissors and the flat nose pliers. These are the things required. If you'd like to purchase the materials I used in this video, check out the links below to get everything you need. Your support helps me keep creating more tutorials for you. Now we will start with our magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your pointer finger 2 times like this, and then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the magic ring, and we will start with round 1. There we need to chain 1, so yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the chain. And then we need to work 1 double crochet into the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed the first double crochet of the round. Again work another double crochet, so yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets. We are going to work another double crochet, so yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 3 double crochets, and then chain 2, 1 and 2, and then work 3 double crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2 and 3. Then again chain 2, 1 and 2, and work another 3 double crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2 and 3. After that chain 2, 1 and 2, and then we will pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like this. After that we can join the round by working a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet over here. So insert the hook into the stitch on top of the first double crochet, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our first round, and I'm going to leave a little tail and cut the yarn off because I'm going to change the color into the next round. And then we can use our yarn needle to hide the tails like this. This is what we have completed so far, and then we will get started with the second round. There I am going to attach the green yarn into one of the double crochets over here. So insert the hook into the stitch, and then we will pull the new color yarn through the stitch like this, and then chain 1 to secure. So yarn over and pull through the loop like this. And then we need to create a half double crochet into the very same base stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the same base stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is the half double crochet. I'm going to work over this tail so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. We don't have to worry about hiding it at the end. And we will create another half double crochet into the next stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is the second half double crochet. Again work another half double crochet into the next stitch as well. Now we have completed 3 half double crochets over here, and then we reach the chain 2 space. There we need to work 3 half double crochets into that chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. And then work 1 half double crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. And then work another 3 half double crochets into the next chain 2 space here. 1, 2 and 3. Then again work 1 half double crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Now this is the last chain 2 space. There we need to work 3 half double crochets into that space as well. This is the end of the second round, and then we will work a slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet here to join the round like this. With that we have completed the work. And then we will leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. After that we can use the yarn needle to hide the tail. And then I'm going to just pull the corners, 2 of these corners, to adjust the shape of the earring like this. By using the yarn needle you can just pull these 2 stitches. We need 2 of these pieces obviously, so you can just repeat the same process and complete the other piece as well. And then we will see how to put the pieces together to complete the earring. Open the jump ring by using the flat nose pliers, and you can attach it to a stitch here and slide the hook ear wire also into the jump ring like so, and then secure that with the pliers again. Now we have completed the first earring. Just repeat the same process to complete the second one as well. And that's it. You now have your own beautiful crochet earrings in no time. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more fun and creative patterns. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.